What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the best trades we ended up taking today, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So, from last night's video, we were able to identify, clear as day, the S&P 500 is making higher highs and higher lows. We understood this. This is why we did not swing puts, and thank God we didn't, because SPY ended up making a new high. So, what I'm watching right now, I want you guys to add this to your chart. Last Wednesday's lows, I connected them to Tuesday's lows of this week for a nice uptrend line, right? We've been holding this line for an entire week, up and up and up. We haven't broke it until right now. So let's look at the trades we ended up getting today. SPY had a gap to fill at 607.66, which is yesterday's previous closing price. As soon as we came up in the morning, guys, this was the best opportunity for a short trade, right? We didn't get the top. We were waiting for the confirmation. Let's show you on the 1 minute right here what we ended up doing. So, SPY ended up breaking through PCP, a big, strong, powerful move, right? And this was a fake out trade. It came all the way back down. We did not FOMO in here. I told the traders live on live stream, if you're not in puts, this is the best level to be taking shorts at. This is the break and the retest of PCP, the only resistance that we have at this level. And as soon as I said that, guys, look at the drop that it did. We ended up buying and selling towards the absolute lows. I sold in the money as soon as we broke under 607, which was my price target. That's exactly where I sold. Now, what are we looking at? And look at the big bounce. So on the daily, we still ended up making a higher high and a higher low. Believe it or not. Even though how bad this looks at the moment in the after hours, technically the stock market's still bullish, right? Now, let's look at this level that I gave you guys. Sloping support, okay? Massive, massive sloping support. SPY is finally breaking this, okay? What levels do we have underneath? I told the entire Discord today, if we break this sloping support, this uptrend line over the past week, it's an empty pocket to fill the first gap at 603.90. Okay? So as soon as we broke under here, it's an empty pocket. We have nothing here, right? The previous resistance of these 2 days, look right here, right? Previous resistance. We ended up gapping up. We did not even retest the previous resistance, and 603.90 is a gap to fill on SPY. So this is a wicked level to be buying calls at to go higher. But if we end up rejecting, look what we have beneath of us, a major, major level. We have another gap to fill at 598.83. This is going to be the best levels to be buying call options. I don't know when this is going to hit, but 598.83 is going to be the best level to be buying SPY call options. I'm telling you now, this is one of the last gaps on the chart. We actually do have, nope, that's it. Yeah. For a little bit. So in the range that we're trading at, this is the best level, in my opinion, to be buying call options at. Could it work at 603.90? It definitely could work, right? The previous resistance, we test as a support for another leg higher. Very possible. I'm going to be watching this. If I start seeing a 30-minute bullish confirmation and I start seeing a floor being developed at 604 level, I'm going long to an all-time high. All right, that is my trading plan. Remember, 598.83 is the best level to be buying call options at. Everything else is going to be snipe trades. Okay, in, out, leave a couple runners. That's it, with safe contracts. So that is the game plan moving forward. SPY ended up closing today at 606.66, exactly $1 down. There. Right? So this is going to be the new make it or break it level. And where after that, we also have at 607.66. I'll just add that there so at least we have a key level. 607.66 approximate, right? So we end up using this level as a resistance, 606.66. It's going to dump $2. It's a free money put play. This is an empty freaking pocket. If you see SPY making a resistance at 606.67, this is going to be free money down. So bearish case scenario, we end up gapping down like 604.50, low 604s. I'm going to wait. Patience, right? I'm going to see how we're going to react at the gap. there's most likely going to be a big bounce between 604 and 603.34, right? 604 and 602.50, a dollar and a half a move on SPY. So that's going to be watching at, okay? Bearish case scenario, this is what we're watching for. The best level for puts, if we end up getting bearish confirmation, 606.66 is going to be a phenomenal trade. Keep in mind, follow the uptrend, follow the sloping support. If we end up gapping up tomorrow, I'm no longer interested in that until I start seeing weakness under PCP. That is it for me, guys. Remember the Daily Sniper, the link is in the bio. Monthly subscription happening on right now. If you'd like to be a part of it, I live stream every single day, Monday to Friday, guys, and we hit bangers all day. So if you'd like to be a part of it, the link is in the bio. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.